Well, I'm at TJ Maxx and I just did a purse video and I had noticed these at the other, oh no, I'm at Marshall's, I'm sorry. I was at the other Marshall's and I noticed these cute little princess dresses and little fairy dresses. This is their Halloween costume section for kids. And I just thought I'd run through these because these were kind of interesting. Like I said, I love those little dresses. But we might as well do this. It's the season anyways. $24.99 for the little frog. Oh, not a frog, pardon me. It's a alligator. And here we've got a Spaceman. The newest thing coming up, you know, because we all got to find a new home on the moon of Saturn or whatever it is because of our poor environment. Okay. And here we've got a little Red Riding Hood. Let's see if I can find a price on her. Well, the other ones were $29. I would imagine they're all similar in price. Yep, $29.99. The little cape and the cute little dress. She could even be a Heidi. This Heidi dress. Okay, I'm sure this guy's $29. Is he? Yeah, here he is. $24.99. Look at the adorable chicken. The little baby one. A Carter's, no less. And that one is $16. Can you see it? A little chicken head to keep the little baby warm. Here's another soft one for $19. Believe in magic. Oh, it's a little unicorn. And you see the little head? The little flowers, isn't that adorable? So soft. Here we got just a little pink little outfit. And that's $16. And that's the Dream Play. Here, look at this one. This is a unicorn little cape. The little cute little tail. Can you see it? Cute little tail. And the price on that one, I see it, $19. $19.99. It's the little cape, unicorn cape. And this, oh, look at that, has the little headband and the little wand. This is really cute. What did I say the price on these were? $29. What does this little one come with? This one also comes with the little magic wand. There it is in the little headpiece. There's that one, and then that one. And what's this? A little infant wear. Look at that cute little thing. $12. Little baby, little hat, a little shoesies, little slippers for the shoe. And there's a little bib pack back there. And let's see a price on that, $3.99. Oh, look at that little unicorn. And that's $19.99. Like a little sack. Unicorn sack. Little t-shirts, $6.99. Look at those cute little shoes for $5.99. Aren't those adorable? And little books and tie babies. And those here are $6.99. Little Batman for $9.99. $6.99. These are pretty reasonable for your little kitties. Love my family. That's nice. No Halloween. Here, what do we got here? Does that come with the little pants? Yeah. And that one is $9.99. Put the family one back. This one here is what they got. This one is $7.99. The little Peanuts one up here. All different little, can you see all different little t-shirts with it. Those look like they run about $10 with the different little pants legs. $10. There's only one left of this one. It's $7.99 with the little leggings. A little towel for the folks. And oh, I just missed some little shoes too. This is $6.99 for a little hat and shoes. And then these knitted booties are $6.99. And those are really cute too. And I saw something little I missed. Look at those for $5.99. And what is that? Oh, a little headpiece. Bowl. Okay, what else have we got here? We've got some Blankies and Blankets for $16.99. Velour type blankets. Very soft. What's the size on those? 50 inches by 70, 60 by 70 throws. Yeah, after it's cold and out trick-or-treating, and I hope it doesn't rain or snow for anybody. Throw that to cover it up. Okay, what is this? Broomstick yard stakes. Is 2 stakes, so it must come with these 2 things. I'm gonna stick them in the ground. And some things like that. Let's go back and look at the kitty things. What's this stuff? Oh, a little devil. Mummy's Little Monster. And how much do those run? These are $7.99. Oh, wait a minute. This is animal stuff here. This is for a dog. Look, a little unicorn, $9.99. I don't know what this bra is doing in here. I don't think a dog would want to wear that. Sit that there. Here's a little monster for a dog, $7.99. And little treats and little Tootsie shoes for a little puppy, $6.99. Skull and Bones pet costume, a cow. There's a picture of that one. Oh, look at the udders. That's great. And that one is $12.99. And what is this? For your puppy. Little treats and doodads and a squeaky. That one is $4.99. What is this? A dog chew. These are cute just to be hanging around, sitting on your porch too. A lot of different things here. What's this? I don't know what that is. A durable dog toy. One of those candy corns, it looks like. I don't know if that was there or not. Okay, here's more costumes. These are some of the ones that were hanging on the wall again. The little unicorn. Whoops, the unicorn. Here's another one for $16. Little bunting, oh, with little leggings on it. A little unicorn. Okay, what's this? Oh, wow, look at him. He is fun. He is really fun. I see a little boy or a little girl liking that one. $24.99. Not all little girls want to be princesses, I don't think. Here's another. He's cute too. That one is $24. And a dragon with a cape, his head, and there's his tail hanging down there. Those are really cute. $19 for the dragon. Okay, I just thought I'd share that with you. I just got captured, enthralled by these pretty little dresses. All right, that is really adorable. The fairy dust, and this I suppose is a fairy too. I think I like this one the best. I like all those pretty colors. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.